Hello everyone. So this is one of my projects having one of the toughest RC cars. So it's based on the FTX Tracer, which is already so durable. But I've done a few modifications to this. So the stock motor's been changed out with a Hobbywing Fusion Mini 16 is what that is. We've got a Sanwa MX6 receiver, which I control with this Sanwa MX6 remote here. It's a good remote, I rate it. And the wheels that are on this aren't the ones that come with it. This is off the Armour Mini Kraton, which my dad actually has one of them. He got some new wheels and yeah, I've put these on and I can do a little trick of these, I'll show you later. Oil-filled shocks in them, because you need that if you're landing jumps, which we will be doing. It's been upgraded with a full metal drivetrain as well, so metal spur, centre drive shaft, diff cups in there and metal drive shafts are. It's been upgraded and I think it's probably one of the most durable cars altogether that we have. And well, enough waffling, I think I should show you what it should do now, so let's go rip. Now I'm happy to report it is broken, but I do have the screw, which is right here, so let's put it back in. Boom, all fixed. Another breakage happened as the screws come out of there now, and unfortunately I've got to bring a wheel nut with me, so that is game over. Overall, the whole car is just very durable. Now I did fix it, so she is all good now, but I am going to be doing some work off camera, so a couple of these wheels have come unglued, so they'll need re-gluing. I think it's this one. Yep, it's this one there. And also I'm going to try and thicken up the shocks a little bit, because it was a little bit bouncy landing some jumps, so that might be a future video, maybe. And I think the next video I'm doing this channel might be about this. You haven't seen this yet.